Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2023 Jeep Compass? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: airbag warning light, brake warning light, seat belt reminder, warning light, battery charge warning light, door open, warning light, electric power steering fault, warning light, electronic throttle control, warning light, engine coolant temperature, warning light, hood open, warning light, oil pressure warning light, oil temperature warning light, lift gate open warning light, transmission temperature warning light, vehicle security warning light, anti-lock brake system warning light, electronic stability control active warning light, electronic stability control off warning light, loose fuel filler cap warning light, low fuel warning light, adaptive cruise control light, engine check indicator, audio system failure, warning light, service forward collision warning light, service stop start system warning light, cruise control fault warning light, drive mode system overheating, tire pressure monitoring system, drowsiness detected system fault, warning light, fuel cutoff failure, fuel level sensor failure, axle locker fault indicator light, forward collision warning off indicator light, front and rear, axle lock indicator light, service lane sense warning, rear axle lock indicator light, exterior bulb failure indicator, fuel cutoff light, wait to start indicator light, low diesel emissions indicator light, water in fuel indicator light, icy road condition light, VPS electrical alarm, 4WD auto indicator light, cruise control set indicator light, front fog indicator light, parking headlights on indicator light, turn signal indicator lights, stop puncher start active indicator light, hill descent control indicator light, service 4WD warning light, select speed control indicator light, cruise control ready indicator light, high beam indicator light, sway bar fault warning light, cargo light on indicator light, four-wheel drive indicator light, 4WD low indicator light, four-wheel drive, part-time indicator light, neutral indicator light, off-road plus indicator light, two-wheel drive high indicator light, a CC set with no target detected indicator light, a CC set with target light, rear seat belt reminder indicator light, rear seat unoccupied indicator light, towing hook breakdown warning light, cruise control set indicator light, auto hold indicator light, auto hold, fault indicator light, gauges and meters, tachometer, temperature gauge, instrument cluster display, speedometer, fuel gauge, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.